You are going to love the 2016 GX. The Lexus GX is a luxurious SUV that provides plenty of hauling functionality with its third-row seating, but also the capability to take off-road. The GX lets you ride in style while still providing you with plenty of versatility and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.